What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Kenny with Jdm Muscle, and today we are in front of the 350Z. Now, what we see here is a big old DC Sports box. It is actually a Y-pipe. I actually have the stock Y-pipe on my 350Z, and it is cracked. Where those flex pipes are, both are actually cracked. So if you've had that problem like me, for about $200, you can actually upgrade to the DC Sports one piece. That way we don't run into that anymore. Anytime I'm trying to get up and down my driveway, in and out of the drift track, it is just scraping there and they've ripped apart. So I'm gonna do a cold start with the stock one all ripped up with some revs, and then we're gonna do it with the DC Sports on, cold start, and some revs as well. Enjoy, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys, Hunter was able to come down here and help me with it. So what we actually found was when I did these blast pipes, they did come a little loose. We tightened those up. We've got that brand new Y pipe, as you can see. I learned this trick a long time ago. You stick a, say, energy drink around it just to make up for it, but we have everything loose, so I'm gonna try to hold this, pop these couple bolts off. Watch yourself, Hunter, it might fall down at you. Do you have one more bolt in, or are you good?
Yeah. Lift up just like that. More. Let me wiggle it loose. Keep wiggling it. Okay.
All right, guys, Y pipe's down. Here it comes. I'm gonna feed it out to Hunter. Watch out, it's very sharp. Get a video of that old turd. All right, guys, so we officially just got the DC Sports Y pipe on. It is wide, guys. We did have to rip these off. These shields underneath are on both sides. We had to pull it off because this is so oversized, but let's see what it sounds like.